we're looking for when it comes to social media and social media ads and branding and all that kind of stuff. Let's say, for example, you are Sticker Mule and you want to see if they have any presence on LinkedIn. So let's look up Sticker Mule, and there they are. Okay, we can follow them along. Say, wow, they're Sticker Mule. They do stickers. They do ads, and they're all over LinkedIn. It's the same thing with Facebook. So let's say we're on Facebook and we look up Sticker Mule. There they are. We can follow them. They have posts, they have ads, and that's what we want is engagement so that we can really follow along with Sticker Mule and just see what they're up to and see what's new and all that kind of stuff. And it's the same thing with Google searches too. So if you're looking up things like Sticker Mule, obviously they're going to come up. Or if you want to look up cheap stickers, you want to show up on the rankings. Now granted, there they are. So Sticker Mule, we have Uprinting, we have Sticker App, we have Reddit, so forth and so on. There's a whole bunch here that show up, and there's a number of ways to make that happen so that it's easy for people, because this is, the search engines are what people are using, although AI has taken over too, right? So for example, if we go to let's go to another one here. We'll go to ChatGPT and we say, what are some top sticker makers today? And most of these AI engines are going to be searching the web and trying to find the most common sticker makers, right? And there's Sticker Mule number 2. Right? It's funny that I use them as an example, but the point is that if you want to show up in the rankings, there's a lot of things you can do from a branding standpoint. So just keep that in mind. It's a good way to test it. Check on LinkedIn, check on Facebook, check on all the social media platforms, and just kind of see where everyone stands and what kind of engagement they have. That's really important.